Hello everyone, welcome to the Healthy Friends channel. Please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss useful information about health.
15 foods that may help prevent clogged arteries, heart attack. Atherosclerosis occurs when fatty deposits accumulate along artery walls. You may have heard the condition referred to as clogged arteries or a hardening of the arteries. This causes the arteries to narrow, and restricts blood flow to the heart, and other parts of the body. This video lists 15 foods that can help prevent clogged arteries. How arteries can become clogged. Atherosclerosis is considered a major underlying cause of heart disease, including coronary artery disease, the most common type of heart disease in the United States. Atherosclerosis is the underlying cause of about 50% of deaths in Western countries, one trusted source. It's a chronic inflammatory disease with numerous risk factors. Following a diet rich in certain foods like vegetables, fruits, and fish has been shown to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease, for trusted source. Here are 15 foods that may help prevent clogged arteries. 1. Berries. Berries include blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These fruits are associated with an impressive amount of health benefits, including their ability to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Berries are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. These include flavonoid antioxidants, which are known to help boost heart health. Berries may help prevent clogged arteries by reducing inflammation and cholesterol accumulation. 2. Beans. Beans are packed with fiber, and well known for their heart health benefits. Eating fiber-rich foods like beans is essential for preventing atherosclerosis, 9 trusted source. Eating beans is an excellent way to keep cholesterol levels in check, thereby reducing your risk of clogged arteries. Many studies have demonstrated that eating beans can significantly reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 3. Fish. Eating fish rich in omega-3s can help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. A study in 961 people compared participants who ate less than 1 serving of fish per week with those who ate 2 or more servings of fish per week. The study found that 13.3% of people who ate less fish had atherosclerosis in their carotid arteries, which deliver blood to the brain, compared with just 6.6% of those in the fish-eating group, 20 trusted source. 4. Tomatoes and tomato products. Tomatoes and tomato products contain plant compounds that may be particularly helpful for reducing the development of atherosclerosis. For example, tomatoes contain the carotenoid pigment lycopene, which may have impressive health benefits. 5. Onions. Onions are part of the allium genus, and linked to a number of health benefits. Research has shown that a diet rich in these popular veggies may protect the arteries. 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are delicious, and provide a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including flavonoids. 7. Spices. Spices, including ginger, pepper, chili, and cinnamon may help protect against clogged arteries, 30 trusted source. These and other spices have anti-inflammatory properties, and may help scavenge free radicals, improve blood lipid levels, and reduce the clumping together of platelets in the blood. 8. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. They are high in fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, including calcium and magnesium. In addition to being highly nutritious, flax seeds may help prevent atherosclerosis. 9. Cruciferous vegetables. Adding cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower to your diet may help reduce your chances of developing clogged arteries. Arterial calcification leads to the hardening of the arteries in atherosclerosis. 10. Beets. Beets are a rich source of nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that plays many essential roles in your body. Inflammation in the blood vessels leads to decreased nitric oxide production. 11. Oats. Oats are an excellent choice for those who have atherosclerosis or are trying to prevent clogged arteries. Eating oats can help significantly reduce atherosclerosis risk factors, including high levels of total and LDL bad cholesterol. 12. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. What's more, these tiny and versatile foods may help prevent clogged arteries. 13. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, including lettuces, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and spinach, offer an abundance of nutrients that may help protect against atherosclerosis. Green leafy vegetables are a good source of dietary nitrates, which can help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. 14. Cocoa and dark chocolate. Cocoa and dark chocolate products are not only delicious, but also may help ward off atherosclerosis. 15. Olive oil. The Mediterranean diet is rich in high-fiber vegetables, beans, and olive oil. It has long been associated with improved heart health. Olive oil may help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. A healthy diet rich in nutrient-dense foods may help reduce your risk of developing clogged arteries. Research has shown that adding foods, like cruciferous vegetables, fish, berries, olive oil, oats, onions, greens, and beans to your diet may be an effective way to prevent atherosclerosis. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.